Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on this channel. Today I'll teach you the first chapter of mathematics. Chapter name is number system. This chapter we will learn what is irrational number, and today I'm tell you what is rational number and what is irrational number. And in lower classes, like in class 6, 7, 8, we have learned already integers, whole number and natural numbers. Just we will recap this. So let me write here real number. Real number is divided into two parts. One is rational number and another is irrational number. In rational number, can we say a number that can be represented as p by q form is known as rational number. Means a number that can be written in the form of p by q. Means like example, here I am writing example. For this, 2 by 3 is a rational number or not? Yes, it is a rational number. If anyone say 1 is a rational number, because we can write 1 as p by q form by putting denominator 1. If anyone says 0 can be written as p by q form, yes, 0 also can be written as p by q form. Like you can write 0 by 10, 0 by 11, 0 by 12, unlimited. You can write 0 by anything number, but 0 by 0 is undefined. Next, after rational number, integers come. I think in class 7 we have learned what is integers. We can define as all whole number and all negative numbers. Means, let me clear you, all positive number and all negative number with including 0 is known as integers. Means we can write this like -4 dot 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 -3 dot dot dot. Means all negative number and positive number including with 0 is known as integers. After that, whole number. This thing we have learned in earlier classes. Just we are recapping, recording. Whole number. We know that whole number means all positive number including 0 is known as whole number. We can write 0, 1, 2, 3 dot 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 dot, means infinite. Then comes natural number. Natural number is also known as counting numbers, means a number which we can count is known as counting number or natural number. It is only like normally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot 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 dot. Then I think we have cleared the rational number part. Let me explain you. It will you can easily remember all these things. From bottom we will learn natural number. It is normal like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When it comes to whole number, 0 is included. Then in integers, all negative numbers are included. Then in rational number, any number, means any number, but not that only one condition is which can be written in the form of p by q form. Then we come to irrational number. In irrational number, its definition is a number that cannot be represented as p by q form is known as irrational number. Means a number which cannot be represented as p by q form. Cannot be. I have forget one point. In rational number, a q must not be equal to 0. This is the main point. Q must not be equal to 0. P may be 0, but q can't be a 0. Irrational number means it cannot be represented as p by q form. We can say root 2 is an example of irrational number. Root 3 is an example of irrational number. May I know root 4 is a example of irrational number? Root 4 is a irrational number or not? Think and say. Root 4, we know that root 4 is equal to 2, and 2 can be also can be written as p by q form. So root 4 cannot be a irrational number. So then we come to root 5, like then continue. Then do you know the value of pi? Pi is we know that in class 8 we have introduced pi. We know that pi is a irrational number, but here it comes a interesting things, that we know that the value of pi is 22 by 7. May I ask you, does 22 by 7 is a rational number or irrational number? Think and say. We know that pi is a rational number, but 22 by 7 is can be written in the form of p by q form. Yes. Means let me prove you it is irrational or rational number. It is written in p by q form. If we divide 22 by 7, if we divide 22 by 7, then we get repeating number, then it is rational number. If we did not get repeated number, then it is irrational number. Let me prove. 22 by 7. 7 3 is 21. 1 minus, then 0, then put point, then see 1 is repeated. Again let me see here you can see same number is repeated, then we can write it as 3.1428557. we put bar, it means that it never ends, means this number, I mean this number will repeat. The 142857, then again 142857, then again 142857, like that continues. Then we can represent as p by q form, and it is repeating, then means it is not terminating and repeating decimal. In next video we will discuss everything. We just we have already learned this. Next video we will learn this. I hope you can write this, you make this like mind map. In next class I will tell you what is terminating and not terminating. Thank you.